Yeah. So let me find my screen. Okay. So closing remarks. Thank you very much for joining the first Dasharo user group. I really hope you will give us feedback how we can make this meeting better. What you want to see here, what you don't want to see here, uh, what we did good and what we did wrong, and of course, like we can talk about that during the following vPub. I have two more things for you. I'm very thrilled and very happy that we were able to certify a first desktop computer in CubesOS. Our platform, which we call it, maybe not fortunate, but call it Dasharo Fidelis Guard Z690, is available. You can buy it in our shop. Buying it, you support us, and you getting hardware which is CubesOS certified. And it will stay CubesOS certified because we will take care to even extend support for it through adding new features. Of course, if Marek and CubesOS team will recertify new firmware, we will extend security features. We also, if you don't know CubesOS Mini Summit, we also working with CubesOS team to improve security of the firmware and to provide better features. So for now, for example, we did DMA protection enabling DMA protection at very early stage of the boot process. We disabling USB stack. We can disable network stack. So that helps mitigate potential risk from peripheral device, for example, or from USB device when you're booting. And this is powerful board. Everyone waited for that because there was lack of power efficient, maybe not power efficient, performant efficient hardware. Yeah, and if you need desktop, then think about it, and maybe you can buy this one. And second thing is we always hiring. We're looking for exceptional candidates which are passionate about open source firmware, about low level stuff. They like hacking. They want to understand BIOS better. They want to live in that world and create this ecosystem, change this ecosystem, and improve it. From our perspective, if you have any experience with core boot, EDK2, U-boot, Linux kernel, you probably can send CV. Even if you don't have, but you want to learn, that's already a good situation. If you have experience with other open source projects and you can prove your contribution, this is also good, and we would welcome your CV. We deliver training programs. We send our employees for international open source conferences. We want our employees to thrive, to be recognized in the ecosystem, and please feel free to send CV to us. And if you think you are not ready for that because you don't know something and you are worried that you cannot meet the criteria, then please go to Open Security Training 2. This is Zino Kovach, non-profit organization which try to educate people on about various security stuff, including firmware courses which are delivered by 3MDev team. So thank you very much for attending Dasharo user group. And if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, let's switch to vPub. During the vPub, we will have very interesting interviews with various peoples, and I hope we will have very freely discussion with beverage of your choice in your hand.
There is one question from Zirblazer on the chat.
Sure.
Perhaps I missed it because I'm running from computer to the kitchen, but was W618 mentioned? Like, I think the chipset, the port, or this chipset.
No. There is we didn't reveal that yet. So I guess the point here is about vPro mainboard, which supports modern chipsets, and modern Intel CPUs. I guess right now we have already roadmap fully saturated right now. If we can speed up what we plan and we can deliver what we promised, like KGP or Talos, then I guess we can add it to the roadmap. but right now it's not yet on the roadmap. Any other questions? Okay, I guess like there's one more minute. Okay. Yes, vPro and BMC, yeah.
So thank you for joining, and see you in a minute on vPub.
Yeah.